And here's the next project I get to play with. Just now got home with it. This is a 99 125 Yamaha. The guy I got it from had just put a new cylinder and a piston and all that. And then he ran out of time because he had to get moved. So he slapped this up for sale and I took advantage of it. I bought it. Here's all the box of other parts, the body panels, the radiator. Here's the old piston. It'll fire up and run for about a couple seconds and then die. So that tells me the carburetor is still plugged up. He didn't do any work to that. Got the FMF shorty, Pro Circuit Platinum pipe. Front tire is in excellent shape. The back tire's wore down some, but it's still good. And of course it's dirty. Give it a quick bath. But anyway, this will be the new project I work on. And let's get her unloaded and into the shop and see what we got. Alright. It is now unloaded. That was easy. Yeah, this is going to be fun to play with. All the plastics are good. Air filter's seen better days, but that's, yeah, the whole air filter shot. Oh well, get a new air filter. Take the carburetor apart, clean it out. It probably needs a rebuild kit on it, I'm sure. That ignition thing needs to go up there. Ah, I see the bracket for the motor's not hooked on. That's okay. Gas tank's not hooked on there. That's okay. Missing the spring for the hold the pipe on. The other side it's missing too. No big deal. I might take this head off and just double check, make sure the guy put it on right. So anyway, give this thing a good bath first. Nothing worse than trying to work on something muddy. Alright. Alrighty, let's do some checking here. I was kicking the motor over and it sounded to me like air was leaking out. So I'm wondering if the head gasket is leaking. So let's take the head off and see what we got here. Oh, well, that's nice. Spark plug is just in there, finger tight. Well, that wasn't very tight. Neither was that one. That one's really loose. That's loose. And that one's loose. Well, I wonder if it's just the head gasket that's leaking because the bolts are not on tight. Let's get this pulled off of here. See what we got. Have to remember the normal nut is the front one. This one looks like it's been cranked down too tight and it started to split the top. That'd be nice if it's just the head gasket was leaking. Because the guy told me he had the cylinder honed, a new YZ125 piston, and all that stuff. Let's get this out of our way. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there's no head gasket at all. Looks like he just splattered RTV sealant on there. Well, that's not going to frickin' seal up. Got some ridges of an old parts flying around. Well, the piston looks nice and clean. That's for sure. Yeah, RTV sealant ain't going to be any good for a head gasket, you stupid moron. I ought to write those numbers down on the piston here and look it up. See what size it is, or what, oversized or whatever. Well, the cylinder looks nice and smooth. That's good. Can you see? There's a couple little marks here. I don't feel them. My fingernail's not catching on them. I think it's just some marks. I can still see hone marks there. It's definitely got a new piston on it. I'll have to write those numbers down and look at. The guy told me it was a YZ125 piston, so I can get on the YZ125 website and look it up and see what it says. I'll be able to tell if it's a oversized piston or if it's just standard. But that RTV sealing that shit. Jeez. This will not work for head gasket, people. So I'm going to have to get me a head gasket. I think that probably will fix the problem. There might not be nothing wrong with the carburetor. Wouldn't that be nice? Yes, that would be nice. I didn't see no head gasket in that tub of parts that I got. So get out of there, get out of there. Alright, that cleaned up pretty good. This is coming off pretty good. Not bad. I think I'll run this on some sandpaper and see just how flat it is. Give this a try. A nice flat surface, a little bit of sandpaper. We'll see what kind of shape the heads in if it's warped any. That looks pretty well flat all around. Cool. I like that. Little spot right there. There are some ridges here and there. We'll do this a little more. Looking pretty good. That's what I like about aluminum. It sands really easy. I think that'll work. Don't want to take off it too much, which I didn't take off hardly any, just gave it a nice smooth finish. See if it shines up in the perfect. A new head gasket will fit on there and seal that up really good.